What's up, everyone? We're here at Empire Motors, located at 5566 Holtz Boulevard in Montclair, and today we are taking a look at this 2009 Ford Mustang. Now, I really love the color coordination, the white body with the black detailing all throughout the car. It just looks really, really cool and clean. This is the two-door coupe, and it's also a manual transmission. So if you're in the market searching for an affordable, powerful, all-American muscle car, this is the one you're looking for. So here is the shot of the back. Really big on the back legs, as you can see there. I really like the detail. And now taking a closer look inside, here's the storage area. The two back seats do fold down, giving you some extra storage if needed. Now let's take a closer look inside. So the interior is a cloth interior, beige in color, also with the black accents. Just really, really cool color combinations like I mentioned earlier. Looks really nice and clean. Now taking a closer look inside. Over here on the door panels, just really attractive door panel, super wide, really nice and long. It does have the tan as well as this little black leather sequence there in the middle. And you do have your automatic windows for both the driver's side and the passenger, and your automatic locks as well. Over here you have your side view mirror positioning right on the door. And here is the shot of the dashboard. Really, really clean look. Very simple, yet really, really nice. Here is the steering wheel. Also just black, super simple. It does have your radio controls right over here for on and off, and your reset buttons right over there. Automatic headlights and the ability to dim or brighten your gauges here. I don't know if you can tell, but here are your super easy to read gauges. It does have the chrome accents also throughout the car on the fence. Now, as you can see here, the car does have very low mileage. It's at 50,846 miles. So that's really, really low mileage. So that's really great for a 2009 Mustang here. Now, here in the center, you do have your emergency lights right over there, a power outlet. You do have a CD player, AM, FM radio, auxiliary plug, as well as pairing your Bluetooth, or I'm sorry, your phone, if that's an option for you. It does have the 6 presets for your radio stations, and of course your heating and air conditioning right down here. I mentioned earlier, it does have a 5-speed manual transmission. I really think the knob is really attractive. I really like how it's also black with the white knob, just to really match the color of the car. I think that's really cool detail to have. Here is the emergency brake, cup holders, and of course your center console right over here. So that's a quick look at the front part of the cabin here. Now taking a closer look in the back, it is pretty compact back there, yet very comfortable as well. So it's really basic, but really clean looking. I really like the look of it. So there's the whole shot of the front and the back, so you can see it from a better angle here. Now, if this is something that you're looking for, come on out and take it for a test drive. I'm absolutely sure you'll fall in love with it. Just a really powerful car. And you can also check out our inventory online, www.empiremotors.org, where you'll find a great selection of pre-owned vehicles, such as this one. It does also come with a Carfax report, one for all of our vehicles, and we do have a first-time buyers program, so come on out and check us out, or you can give us a call at 909-447-6777. Thank you guys for watching.